y'all, welcome back to Shawna Rae, a cooking and cleaning channel for busy moms. Tonight, I'm going to be taking you through like my nighttime cleaning routine. This is what I try to get done pretty much every night before I go to bed, after my son's in bed, to make sure the house is ready for the next day. So my son is currently in bed. It's about 7:30. He just went down and our kitchen is a mess. I've been doing a little bit of meal prepping and filming and just a bunch of stuff. The kitchen's a mess. Dining room needs to get cleaned up. And then we'll see what else I just want to get picked up before I go to bed tonight. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. And since becoming a mom, it literally is like I found my purpose. So this is what we are working with in our kitchen tonight. Excuse my dog being rude and drinking some water in the background, but I have a little bit of a mess here. I need to get these put away. I actually probably need to take a picture first because I did a video. And then I finished prepping my child's lunch, so got some mess there. Watching my girl Kim from Kim's Farmhouse Life over there on YouTube. Some dishes. My husband was amazing and did empty the dishwasher for me. But I just have some other mess to clean up. Okay. And obviously the trash needs to go out.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Bass is going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. This is going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear you. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water
So that is it, you guys. That is everything I'm gonna be able to get clean tonight on my nighttime cleaning routine. The main areas, sorry, I'm a little out of breath. The main areas I try to make sure are clean are our kitchen and dining room, and then our guest bathroom usually, but I clean that earlier so I know it's already cleaned. And then I pick up our bedroom. Our dogs do come in here at night and sleep on the floor, and so I wanna make sure all of Charlie's toys are picked up because otherwise the dogs will eat them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button for more cleaning and cooking videos every week. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.